Question was asked in Parliament as to whether the government is going to compensate 700 farmers who passed away, who were martyred. And government answered that we have no record of any of these people. We have no record of these 700 people. As it turns out, we did some homework and we have 403 people who the government of Punjab has compensated 5 lakh rupees each and has given jobs to. How many people are given jobs? 152 have been given a job. We also have another list, which is this one, where we have 100 names of other people, not in Punjab, from other states. And there is a third list, which is public information of names, addresses, phone numbers, which can easily be verified. So this list exists. But the government insists on saying that such a list does not exist. What is the purpose? These people have died as a result of the agitation. We are not talking about billions of dollars, thousands of crores of rupees. We are talking about minimum compensation for the sacrifice they have made. Prime Minister himself has said that he has made a mistake. He has apologized to the nation. Well, as a result of that mistake, 700 people have died. Now you're lying about their names? Why? Why don't you have the decency to give them what is their due? The government of India should pay their compensation and help these families.
Thank you, sir. We'll begin with ANI, Siddharth.
मेरा कहना है कि जो 2-3 सबसे बड़े उद्योगपति प्रधानमंत्री के और सरकार के जो मित्र हैं, उनके लिए ये कुछ भी कर देते हैं. जो भी करना होता है वो कर देते हैं. मगर जब किसान को जरूरत होती है, मजदूर को जरूरत होती है, तो कहते हैं ये तो है ही नहीं लोग. मतलब इनका कहना है कि ये 700 लोग हैं जिनकी मृत्यु हुई, ये तो है ही नहीं. तो किसानों की मांगे हैं. हमने पिछले प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला कि हम उनकी मांगों का समर्थन करते हैं, सपोर्ट करते हैं. मगर ये मिनिमम कॉम्पनसेशन जो है, ये तो मतलब मिनिमम रिस्पेक्ट की बात है. तो ये तो इनको एकदम कर देना चाहिए. और प्रधानमंत्री ने स्वयं कहा है, माफी मांगी है. किससे माफी मांगी? क्यों माफी मांगी? क्योंकि उन्होंने ये गलत कानून लागू करने की कोशिश की, उसके कारण 700 लोग मारे गए. तो आप एक तरफ कह रहे हो मैं माफी मांग रहा हूं, और दूसरी तरफ आप कह रहे हो कि जो 700 लोग हैं जिनकी मृत्यु हुई, ये तो है ही नहीं. और लिस्ट पंजाब सरकार के पास है, बाकी लिस्ट यहां पड़ी हुई है. नाम ले दीजिए आप मतलब फोन नंबर्स भी हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर अगर डायरेक्टली कॉल करके चेक करना चाहें, मैं नाम भी बता देता हूं 2-3, तेज कौर, गुरजंत सिंह, दाना सिंह, दर्शन सिंह. फोन कर लें कि है या नहीं है, पता लग जाएगा.
Thank you, sir. We'll PTI.
Look, frankly, the Punjab government is not responsible for the deaths of these people. It was not our responsibility. However, we have given them support, 5 lakhs each. Why? Because we understand that they're going through a difficult time. Right? We have also given 152 of them jobs. We intend to give the bulk of them jobs. So we have already acted on it. Frankly, it is not our responsibility It is not our mistake that has caused this. It is the Prime Minister's personal mistake which he has accepted. So why does he not have the dignity to turn around and say, okay, 700 people have died, I will compensate them? What is the problem? It's not a big amount for the government of India, right? It's the same with COVID.
इंडिया टीवी हर वक्त हर जगह डाउनलोड करने के लिए सर्च करें इंडिया टीवी न्यूज़ गूगल प्ले स्टोर या ऐप स्टोर पर।